Okay.
Hello.
No, there's nobody there. It's just us, right? Yeah. It's just us, come on. I can't.
Yeah.
Will you please say something to our nearly 1,000 subscribers? Huh?
At my answer.
Okay, never mind.
You've been talking about
Subscribe.
Okay. People. Okay, relax, right? We are not live yet. There was once I did live.
You live now.
No, there was a student who kept singing non-stop. Like P6, he just keeps singing. He come here, he cannot stop singing. He. Then I was like, dude, can you please stop singing? Because you're disturbing everybody in the class. So he said, no, I cannot stop singing. I want to stop. I want to continue singing. Then I said, fine. Of course, I know he's not my student. I don't know what happened to him that day, right? He said he had a bad morning, and he decided to disturb the class. Then I said, fine, okay. You like people to hear you sing, right? Let's switch on my Instagram, Facebook, everything together. You're gonna have like 3,000 people hear you sing. Want or not? And then he didn't say anything. He didn't say anything, right? And then he just kept singing. I said, fine. Then I switched on everything. And I put his face in the middle of the whole live and everything. Then he suddenly just kept quiet. Don't want to say a single thing. Then I said, why? Why are you not talking now? Right? You have like 900 people looking at you. Can you say something, please?
This is the Kevin.
Yeah?
The Explorers Kevin in the Philippines.
Yeah, huh? What is this? Explorers coming in the Philippines? I don't understand. Okay, so right now we are at the P4, P5 Zoom session recording this thing. I'm not at YouTube Live. No, this is not YouTube Live. We just record. Okay? Why on YouTube?
Are you going to do it? I want to see myself.
YouTube Live, you know what's YouTube Live?
Yes.
That means immediately 900 people will see you.
Yes, I would.
It will like, ding, Mr. Ting is live.
Yes.
No. Okay, nobody will. No lah, better don't want. Yeah, I can post it, right? Because I may need to edit it. What if suddenly Hashita say her school, and then people know, oh, this person is Hashita. I know this person. Yeah, but actually it doesn't matter, right?
You record. You go now.
Yeah, it's recording now.
If I go to YouTube and I don't see this video of me talking,
Okay, I will short clip this, right? I like to make intro. I like to make the thumbnail. Yeah, I'm gonna put if you make this video, then I'm gonna punch you in the face. Okay.
Oh yeah.
That will be my.
I want to say that.
That will be my. Okay, that will be my beginning. The opening of the video. Okay. Come, let's do the question now. Come. We are doing this question now. Okay. So Matthew spent 2,642 on 8 similar shirts and 5 similar gold chain. Hey, come. Hey. Excuse me. I can't go on like that, no. Hello. Okay, give me the foolscap. Give me. Enough already. Okay, good. Okay, don't waste my foolscap. Enough. Okay, so Matthew spent 2,600. Okay, you see there are 8 similar shirts and 5 similar gold chains. Each gold chain costs 76 more than a shirt. So what I like to do is I will draw model. Yeah, of course I can, but I want to draw a model. Now because there are 8 shirts, right? And there are 5 gold chains. So gold chain, let's say gold chain is 1. This is 1 gold chain, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 gold chain. Now each gold chain is 76 more than a shirt. So I got an additional 76. This is a model 76. And then this 76. And this also a. No, you don't. You can just copy the working. Okay, so these are 5 gold chains. Okay, 6. Look. Okay, this is 5 gold chains. Then how about 8 shirts? So 8 shirts would be these, right? this one times 8. Right? So altogether, the whole thing costs what? 2,642 dollars. So can you tell us how to find what is the working? I'll start off with this, right? 76 times 5. What's 76 times 5?
380.
Okay, so you get $380. So $380, basically what you did is you found this thing. Okay, you found this one. So it's 380. It's 380. Then how many units are you left with? After you found 380, how many units? How many? This one unit, one unit, one unit, one unit here? No, 1 unit times 8. 8 plus 5.
13.
So 13 units is actually equal to 2642 minus 380, right? Yeah. 2642 minus 380. 2262. I got 2262. Do you get 2262?
Yeah.
Now 2262, then what do? You divide by?
13.
Yeah, 2262 divided by 13. $174. That means each box, each one of this is 174. And each box represents?
So 1 unit on 24.
Yeah. And each box, what does it represent? 1 unit is 1 shirt. 1 unit is 1 shirt. So they want 3 shirts.
93.
Oh.
Wait, so 1 shirt is 174.
Yeah.
Why do you want to buy so expensive shirt?
Well, because it could be branded.
No.
522, right? So the final answer is 522. You get 522?
Yeah. I got calculation error, but the equations are right.
Somewhere in between wrong. Yeah. So you get 522? No. Okay. Never mind. You can look at the. But do you understand how you get 522?
I got the
Yes.
equation right, but it's just calculation.
Oh, but ultimately that's still wrong.
I didn't do 7 and 8. And
Yes.
10.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So once this is done, we move on to the next one. Okay. No need to copy. No. Written? Okay. Okay. Next question number 7. So John had 240 more than Eliva. Nora had 1 as well. Okay. Another diagram drawing time. So John had 240 more than Eliva. So John 240 more than Eliva. Then Nora had 1/3 as much as John. 1/3 as much as John. So Nora. Now imagine here I chop into 3. So here's my chop into 3. Okay, Nora will have 1 of this plus 1/3 of this. What's 1/3 of 240? 80. And the whole thing is 1440. So what's my step 1? Minus the numbers, right? So 1440 take away 240 take away 80. Right? 1120. Now 1120 represents how many boxes? Yeah, 80 is here. 240 divided, because 1/3. Nora had 1/3, so this is 1U, 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 right? So this is 1U.
240 divided by
Yeah, 240 divided by 3. 240 divided by 3, you get 80. So 1120 represents how many units? How many green color units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1U is 160. So how much money did John have? 160 times 3 plus 240. $720. You guys correct? Yeah. Next. Yeah. Next one.
Wait, I need to.
The funniest thing about the YouTube live was when I did it last time, the student's friend was watching. And then he was commenting, "Hey, aren't you the guy from what primary school?" The boy.
720.
Not me, the student. Oh, the student. P6 student. Huh? Yeah. And then he was like, "Hey, you are the boy. You are the boy." And then my student was like, "Yeah, hey, who is that?" Like, yeah. And they know each other. And started chit chatting. Yeah. So funny.
You just really change the shop people, right?
The what?
Like you just do things to people.
Yeah, just there are a lot of people who yeah, they're happy to watch it, yeah. But because it's math, it's not like entertainment. I don't get paid for it anyway. Yeah, this is for fun.
I started on one shoes $13. You get $13.
No, there isn't $13.
We should do double shift.
Oh no. This is if you have like 1 million subscribers. Those yeah. No, everyone must all the YouTube thumbnails, right? They must the mouth must open big right? Like that one. Must like then people will click. Really, I tried before, right? If I have like a very weird expression, people will click. I show you, let me show you. YouTube again. Discourage. Okay, so you see, things like this, people not interested on,
No, but there are like 815 views.
No, but if you have like like this, right? Like question.
That's funny. That was funny. You got like 100 plus. I think that one was the highest.
Okay, you see the worst is this 35. Hear it from our students, how O-level chemistry, right? Nobody want to watch this. This one, this 10. Are they isomers? No, because
She get only 10.
because it's very specific. These are too specific. You know what I mean? Like people are not interested. What's isomer? But they might. They might be interested how to memorize the denied O-level events. At least I got 187 views.
No, the one is 193.
3. This one 815, yeah?
Why that one got so much? Got no face.
Oh, I see 15 like that. Oh.
Like your own, like your own video.
Hey.
You added a like to the video.
Oh, this Cheryl.
How many subscribers do you have?
Thanks for the tips. 36 comments, I think.
How many subscribers do you have?
Yeah, this is one of my students. See, the first video, the first student.
You must be dead now.
Yeah, a lot of people are talking.
Wait, how many subscribers do you have?
What I said? I went through the paper. No, it's the same as what we were doing, like
yesterday one.
No, this was.
Very long time.
So nobody said something.
Yeah, so I try to record like now, I'm doing this and then we're recording. It will look like this. So it won't see you, but it only see me, unless you want to be seen.
Yes, I want to be seen.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Can you hear?
I mean, like, can they feel?
Yeah, they can hear.
Yes,
They can hear.
No, I want to be seen.
They can hear the conversation. A student.
But they need to see.
The guy who commented was the one.
Yeah. He's here. This guy.
What's their name?
Ten. His name is Ten. I mean his nick.
Oh,
Who is
he's
that?
like,
Ten?
Can we be? Can we be?
Yeah, of course. You want to be seen. It's so easy, right? See, just put your face here. What? Yeah, the camera is here. Okay. Okay.
I've been seen.
Yeah, you've been seen. Nobody knows who you are. Okay.
My name
Yeah.
is
Okay. So the trick is to have a funny expression, right? Or funny thing. Sorry?
What's that? Why? I didn't see any you boy.
Wow, it's a very bad sound. Only for like. Boring, right? Within 5 seconds, you want to sleep already. No
What's a
good.
water cycle? I never tried the water cycle.
But
I'm using some size that was mailstone.
yeah, people don't click this stuff,
Yeah, stay watch other stuff.
People don't watch all this.
Especially kids.
Like, press that, this one.
Press?
Press this one.
Press. You ask me to press now?
At least somebody did this one.
You know why? Because it's PSLE, people don't watch. There are people who dislike one. Where is it? Well, okay, so I wish I had. No, I wish I had my first video. I wish I had my first video. My very first video, it was a terrible comment. People say, "Oh, you're in XYZ girl." I still remember. Her nick is XYZ girl. She called herself XYZ girl in a comment. Then she said, "Your English is so bad. How dare you even put up a video?"
So all the teachers can make videos.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, don't push it.
Why wear glasses?
This was long.
Why you do this? You just did this.
Hmm?
You just did this. Hashida, you just did this.
See, last time got 1,000 views.
What?
1,000.
1,000? Then make that same video. You want to get $100? Oh, 1.1K. Oh, I think that's the most.
This net
1.6.
What?
9.2.
Oh, 9.2K.
What?
Yeah.
What is that? I don't think it's about Queen and Sally.
Yeah.
All about circle. Circle, what circle got no corner.
So you see the video change, right? When we first make video, it's so dumb, right? Like nobody will click on.
What's your first video?
My first video isn't here. I mean, the first one here is like all this.
Boring.
Yeah, it's so boring. Nobody will
There's
click.
no introduction. It's just
Correct. That was the beginning. This one was the most. 392 views.
So, no, that's not.
I mean, among here.
Oh,
600.
well, the rest are like 19.
Yeah. What's the first video?
What, 18 views?
Wow,
Wait, can I see that?
that's the first video. 6 years ago. Oh my god.
You were only 4 years old watching those
Yeah.
videos. Can I see?
Wait, see us here.
Yeah.
Let me see. What is?
What in the world?
Google meets man who receives
I want to see what it is. Can I see what it is?
What?
What are the chances of a dolphin? Can a dolphin be a
What is the case? Wait, KP.
No, this is our Katong side.
Why is the video with?
Katong branch last time.
Why are you getting a video?
I have no idea.
And they gave you 260 views.
Yeah.
Zero. Wow. Can we
No, we can't. Okay, because we're gonna do this. Yeah. So can you see? We always start with what very lousy, right? At first beginning, whatever you do at the beginning is terrible one. Then slowly, I learn how to make thumbnail. Slowly. Thumbnail is the first picture.
Wait, I saw food.
What?
Wait, move your mouse to Whoa.
All right, then we try to make some interesting thing. You know. Yeah. So then we improve, right? Next year will be new stuff, right? We will be. I every year I improve. Every year we make better and better and better videos. Okay, we start with what? Yeah, it's okay.
You can cut.
Not many. Yeah, I can edit. Not many people watch anyway. Okay. Right, they won't remember. They won't be like, oh, you said something like that. But actually, there was one parent that remembered some stuff I said like a long time ago. She actually then was like, huh, you mean actually watch the whole thing?
What did you say?
Huh? No. Okay, it could be like okay, it could be like you were talking about, oh, I want to punch you, something like that.
Want to punch you?
No, she gave the piece of paper, right, to better show her face or something. And then all of a sudden, some student will ask me, oh, who is Hashida? Then I'll be like, what do you mean? What do you mean Hashida? How do you know Hashida? Then we, oh, there was this video and something.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. So last year I had a student who became a bit famous, a bit too famous. Then no, he didn't know anything. He was just inside. He was like, hey, acting funny. So I had to remove the video because the public, okay, not public. The parent was people were asking the parent, like, hey, your boy is in the video, because people went to spread the video that the boy was inside. He was just messing around, right? So what we had to do was yeah, so I had to, and it was very funny. It was actually quite funny. But the mom said, no, I don't want him to be in
What did he do?
He did some funny thing. Like, no, it's just facial. Like he had like did some funny things.
He got famous for this.
No, it's not easier. So I had to remove that. Yeah? So from then on, we decided that we cannot put students' face, right? Unless they don't mind or their parents don't mind, right? If they, no, we don't. We just don't, right? You see, this one only show my face. Okay, we don't put the. She don't mind,
I
right?
don't mind.
I think they always
Okay, so we shall continue with this, right? So ever since then, I became very careful. Don't anyhow put students inside, because after all, these are public stuff. You see. Okay, question number 8. So Sharon went to market with $77. This amount of money was just sufficient to buy 5 kg of fish and 4 kg of prawns. Okay, so 5 fish plus 4 prawns, right, is equals to $77. Okay, so she decided to buy 4 kg of fish and 5 and save 280. So if you have 4 fish plus 5 prawn, now when you save 280, how much is it? 77 minus 2.8, 74. $74.20. Okay, so from here you need to find the cost. So what we do here is we make one of them the same. Okay, what do you mean by make one of them the same? No, we assume that they bought the same number of fish. Now, what's the common multiple of 4 and 4? 20. Imagine they have 20 fish, right? So 20 fish in both scenarios. So here I times, the whole thing here I times 4. So 20 fish plus 16 prawns equals to, so the whole thing times 4, no? 77 times 4. 308. Yeah. Then here times 5. Whole thing times 5. So it's like 25 prawns. We get 74.2 times 5.
It's already 6:40.
Yeah.
I do not time.
Okay, so can you see we get this? If they buy the same amount of fish, and this is the number of prawns, the difference 371. Yeah, it will cost $371. This will be $308. So once again, what's the difference between these two? What's the difference between these two? How many prawns is the difference? The difference here is 9. So 9 prawns difference is equal to $63. So 1 kg of prawn will be equal to,
Wait, so that's not the answer yet.
no, they want 1 kg. 9 is $7. Okay, so another good thing I like here is I get to use different colors, you see. Green, blue, pink. So you can see the different steps, right? Ashita, you copy.
Yeah, we'll listen. 9P 262. Henry Parent is pregnant.
Right?
You have an Henry Parent.
What do you mean?
You have
Where?
there.
Where? Okay, next one.
$7.
Yeah, answer is $7. Okay. You done? Yes, next one. Question number 9. Okay, this is a remaining concept. It's a little confusing because of the salary, bank account. Yeah.
The answer is 1650.
Okay, let's check. So Gary spent $490 on food and 1/3 of the remainder of his salary on transport. So this is his salary, right? So 480 food, 480, and 1/3 of remainder. So remainder will be here, 1. So this is on transport. Okay, so this is the remainder. If we deposit the remaining amount, he had a total of 1. If he deposited the remaining amount into his savings account, so this one go to piggy bank. Okay, go to the bank, and in his bank he had 1740. Now this is not equal to 1740. This one is not 1740. It's just that a bit of this, don't know how much, went into the bank, and then in his bank he had 1740. So at first, how much did he have? He had 960. Before putting this amount, he had 960.
Do I need to draw the model?
Let me draw again. So here, don't know how much, right? Inside the bank. At first, there was 960. This is the bank. Okay, money sign. At first at 960, then plus question mark became 1740. So what's question mark? This question mark.
1740 minus 900.
Yeah. So to find the question mark, we take 1740 minus 960. Yeah. Yeah. Doesn't matter. 7, 8. I can do both. It's the same. I mean, to me, it's the same. Okay, so 780. This is 780. Now 780 is 2 of this, right? 780 is 2. Yeah, so divide by 2. 3, each one is only 390. So how much was his salary? So this 390. That T over there is also 390. Right, so what is the salary? It's pink, minus that. 3 times of 390 plus 450 equals to yeah, right. It's 1650. 1,600. And this scratching. Yeah, good enough. Doesn't matter. Yeah, maybe. Last one. Okay, David bought 6 pens, 3 books, and a file for $85. 1 pen, 1 book, 15. 1 pen, 1 file, 18. What's the cost of file? Wow. Okay, how about 3 pen, 3. Okay, 6 pen, 3 book. Let's see. 3 pen, 3 book. Oh, okay. Got it. What is the cost of 3 pen, 3 book? 3p plus 3b. What's 3 pen, 3 book? 1 pen, 1 book, 15, right? 3 pens, 3 books. What is 3 pen, 3 book? 45. How come? Because it's times 3. Times 3. With this group just times 3. So 3 pens and 3 books cost $45. You got that? Do you understand? Now why do I do that? Because 6 pen, 3 book, and a file is 85. If I take $85, take away $45, I get $40. Can anybody tell me what does?
$3.
Huh? How do you know? Wait, I just want to tell us. What does $40 represent? If I take the 85 minus the 45. 85 minus 45. No. So 3 pen, 3 book is 45. I think 85 minus 45 is 40. How many pens and how many files does this represent?
Many.
Because okay, see sorry. Yeah, very good. 3 pens. $40 is 3 pens and 1 file because you take the 6 pen, 3 books, right? Take away 3 pen, 3 books, left 3 pens and 1 file. So that's $40. Next, if I take $40 minus $18, I get 22. Okay, what does this represent? What does $22 represent?
2 pens.
Good. You are thinking right now. 2 pen. Yeah, so 2 pen is $22. 1 pen is 1 P 11. So can you find one file?
$3.
No.
Oh, then $7.
Yeah.
Why are they selling so much things for so much money?
Yeah, how is 1 penny?
In my school, I just made 50 cents for a packet of chicken rice.
Are you serious?
Mine is only $1.
Wait, again, how much?
50 cents.
For what? 1 packet of chicken rice? That sounds so cheap. That is very cheap.
For 2 pratas.
Why do they sell prata?
They just have prata, they sell.
How about cendol ice kacang?
What else is there? What else is there?
No dessert.
Mine has
Do they sell
No
a
dessert.
hamburger?
the only thing
Yeah,
they
they
have
have chicken shoulder.
fruits and crackers.
Ice cream. Do they have ice cream?
No, and yogurt.
No ice cream.
No ice cream. Come on, it's a school. They have to be
Wait, my
healthy.
school has ice cream. Yeah, it had ice creams, right?
I think my friend is
Thanks.
What? No, you said up there. It's time for the game.
Yeah, I said until 10 p.m. What? Do until 10.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, I said until 10. No, you don't believe you can play the recording. I said until 10, right? 10. 10 p.m.
Now it's time
You
for
said cool. You said
Okay. I know. I'm just kidding. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna play a game, right? So I'm gonna play this game. You must close your eyes, okay? I'm gonna write the number here so you can.
Do we still need a worksheet?
Yeah, you still need a worksheet.
Oh, good. Wait, why do we still need a worksheet?
How about calculators?
Hmm?
Why do we still need a worksheet?
Yeah, we'll do the question after the game.
Question? No, you said the guess the number game.
Yeah, we can get the number game, but after that we can do the question.
Oh, you know,
Okay. Let me see how to hide the thing, okay?
I'll put my in my house.
Okay, I'm done. No, really, I'm done. I have hidden the answer. Okay, come. Let us start with what? 1 to 100 lah, as usual.
50.
Huh?
50.
What?
50.
50?
Yes.
Okay,
1 to 5. I mean 1 to
50
50.
now. Okay, Dwayne?
35. I got 35.
Okay, this is
I want 25.
No, her turn.
25.
Her turn.
No.
25. I just want
23.
5.
23 to 50.
25.
right to a number of definitely.
Kitchen?
It's
Kitchen?
my turn.
Kitchen, go this round, one round like that.
30.
30.
Oh, that is going so fast.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I just like this game.
No, but you are good at playing. Now you understand, right? Chop as much as possible. Chop as much as possible.
That is not a good number.
Is that a number?
Of course that's a number. You can do number.
I mean, that's the number.
Quick. What's the number?
39.
What's that?
It's a zero. Okay. Did you say 39? Hey, no, just right here.
How is that not easy?
Yeah, that's easy. Never mind. Okay, wait. So fine. What do you say? What's the number? 39. Okay, so you are the one.
Oh,
See the number 39. See? The number is
oh,
there.
no, oh, you know what? You didn't write it. You didn't trust us.
No. It's not. I don't trust you. I know you all won't look at this one.
But
Right.
I go to my actual garage.
Yeah. Okay. So now we'll play again, right? So
Two games.
yeah. So you.
Can we get the biscuit from there?
Oh, biscuit. Wait first. Wait first. Wait for the time. Actually, I gonna name. I gonna. What? Where did that come from? This was the previous weeks. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait, y'all want to play one more round? Okay, we'll play another thing. No, we'll play another thing, okay? Hangman. Is something in the room. In the room.
Is it a computer?
Home.
Oh, is it a room, right?
Room. In this room.
Computer.
What are you doing? Hey.
Whiteboard.
No, it's not a computer. See, this is there.
Whiteboard. Just this is there.
Okay, come. Take a seat. We are not done yet, huh? Come, sit now. Go back to the seat.
But you want to
I know. Let's go back to the seat, okay? Okay, come. Each one will have a chance. No. You're not gonna say hangman. Give me the alphabet.
W.
W. Nah.
I.
Wait. Ah, yes. Next. Jenny. No, you can write that. choose one alphabet.
You.
Oh, yo, she's so clever. Yeah. One U. Next. There.
Oh.
I can't say. Just give one.
Come on, you want to see the
Wait. So you say A. Don't have. What else did you say just now? W.
We
Don't have.
must draw a hangman stand.
Yeah, I'm drawing.
No, like stand. Yeah, nobody
Hey, we are going home soon. Come on. Yes. Huh? E. Next. H. There. Dying soon. Shichen is the lucky one, huh? This is the lucky one. Oh, she's so lucky. S. S. No, how can it be her name? Yeah, it's in this room. No, it isn't Susan. Come, guess a letter. Quick. Oh, be careful. Quick. Last game for the year. Quick.
Is it very small?
Quite small. Last game for the year. Quick. Choose the alphabet.
I don't know what alphabet do I do.
Yeah, choose the. No more.
Oh, okay,
Come on, put on the thinking cap. Yeah, y'all saw this thing a couple of times. Y'all even said this a couple of times. Huh? What? No, I'm not gonna say it. Quick. Suspicious? No. Wait, did you? Is that a guess? If you guess, must do one round or no? Okay, quick. One alphabet. I say it's in this room. None. Y'all saw it a couple of times now. Quick. Hey, we need to go already, right? Quick. Wait, I'm waiting for her. Give me a letter.
Can you write one letter for us? Just write one letter.
Give us a clue.
Oh, you mean you?
Just write a letter. On the oh, read sunrise.
No. Okay, you use up one already. Okay, your turn. Give me a letter. Quick. Last two chance. Last alphabet.
I'm just looking at
In.
Final 2 minutes, quick.
N.
N. No. Don't worry. Last one is Luanne.
Second. You give us another.
Wait, what?
C.
C? Wow. P? Did you say P? No, it's wrong. P is wrong. Ah? Then you use some. Okay. Sichuan is the lucky one, right? Sichuan is the lucky one.
Subscribe.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all. Okay, so that's all for this year, right? Yeah, you can subscribe. Okay, so remember next week no lesson. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Yeah. Bye.